How's it going? All right, just a quick little talk before you guys get going on your exam here. Uh, One thing to mention, I am still wearing my River Valley Wildcat shirts for all you tennis players out there. I will still be getting you information for summer tennis as soon as possible. All right, I might have to send it in the mail to you, but we will see. But otherwise, for your exam today, all right, I'm gonna pull this over. All right, perfect. There's kind of the main points of what we've been learning the last bit here, all right? You read a bit about the Articles of Confederation, things that were good and bad about that, what happened at the Constitutional Convention, all right? Keep in mind you'll want to know Virginia Plan, New Jersey Plan, Great Compromise, Three-Fifths Compromise, that kind of stuff. Federalists and Anti-Federalists, all right? Remember their views from each side, kind of what the Federalists wanted, what the Anti-Federalists wanted. Eventually, we get to the Constitution, it being ratified, all right, the voting process and all of that on that. And then we have, at the end of the Constitution, the Bill of Rights. You want to know a little bit about that. Otherwise, you have your summative today, all right? Before you head into it, before you open it up, maybe get your any materials that you would like ready. Maybe do a quick review or anything like that. It is 24 multiple choice questions, one short answer, all right? Very short answer. All right, but other than that, take your time. Maybe do a quick review. If you want to send a question my way before you start the quiz, have at it. But if you feel like you got a pretty good grasp on these couple topics there, it's going to be the biggest things in those topics, all right? I'm not going to try to really bog you down with a whole bunch of details, but things that I think that you should hopefully remember. Otherwise, yeah, good luck. Have a great day. I hope to see you soon.